Chili is good. This is good. Good and spicy. This one I like. So for Singaporeans, I guess we are all spoiled for choice in Singapore when it comes to chicken rice. And we are very serious about chicken rice. Huh? My trip to Bali is all made possible by guys. Today, something bit different. Although in Bali, I got a surprise for you. And the surprise is, are you ready? We are here to try Hainan Jifan. Singapore Hainan Jifan. I want to see if it's any good or not. Ready? Let's go. Better walk properly, where I get beaten up. Hello, 你好，有卖鸡饭吗？ See, you all don't understand. I spoke Chinese. 没事 nothing. Sit down first. Speak Chinese? You say Singapore. China. Bukan China lah. Sana you write Chinese what? Right? 写华文我要讲华文啊。Chicken rice, chicken rice, chicken rice. Okay. Order here or order sit down? Okay, sit down first. All right, let's sit down first. Okay, outside it's written Chinese. Spoke to them in Chinese. I don't want to speak Hainan. If I can speak Hainan, I'll speak Hainan to them. 雞飯一盤，小雞參白斬雞。Can I have one plate of chicken rice, please? Breast meat, roasted chicken, and steamed chicken. Menu. Wow. Huh? Okay. Guys, it states Hainanese chicken rice, right? Like a burger.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, welcome, welcome. Okay, thank you. Thank you very nice. Ooh, okay, thank you. 谢谢. Terima kasih. Wow, before eat, got welcome drink. Okay, no. This is dried longan, I think. Tastes like dried longan. A very diluted, mild dried longan. Oh, got ice kacang. Chino longan. Okay, so chicken rice lah. Chicken rice, okay. So you got. Normally, I want a mix of the steamed chicken and the roasted chicken to see how it both taste like. There you have it. Ooh, looks quite nice, yeah? So I ordered a half-half, roasted chicken and the steamed chicken. So in this set, you have, of course, the chicken, then half an egg, chicken rice chili, ginger, black sauce, and chicken rice. The color looks a bit dark, but I wonder how it tastes like, yeah? You have the soup. Let's see how the soup tastes like first. It's a bit on the salty side. Let's see, go for the rice. Enough flavor, but this bowl, the chicken rice, the rice is a bit too soggy. Less soggy will be very good. Go for the roasted chicken first. Okay, I hold this. I know it's a bit too dry already. It's a bit too dry, guys. Braised chicken. It's dry. Try the chili. Chili is good. This is good. Good and spicy. This one I like. And then you mix them all together and then, bon appetit. So for Singaporeans, I guess we are all spoiled for choice in Singapore when it comes to chicken rice. And we are very serious about chicken rice, Hainanese chicken rice. If you are accustomed to eating that of the chicken rice in Singapore, like I said, the chicken is a bit dry, both the roasted and the braised chicken. The saving grace is this one. Chili! Okay, this one is super good, very good. Probably the ones in Singapore have to learn something from this. Spicy and good, I think each chili can. Of course, the rice also a bit soggy. Okay, for the rice, the flavor is there, mind you, the flavor is there, except like I said, it's a bit too soggy. If they just cook it with less water, it'll be perfect, seriously. Color notwithstanding, So guys, we have come to the end of today's episode, So until the next time, I'll bring you to another location in Bali, where you can bring your family and friends over here to come and Jiak. Bye-bye.